Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see your storage and upgrade your storage subscription plan on OneDrive. To do so, first of all, just open up your Google browser and then log into your OneDrive Google account. After you have logged into your OneDrive, all you need to go is simply go on to this option right here, and from here go on to the settings. After going on to the settings option, you can see that this option appears. Simply click on the option, and from here on the manage storage section, here you can see the storage and the amount of storage you have. Scroll down, you can see your current plans. My current plan is a free 5 GB. If you want to upgrade it, simply click on the upgrade option, and now you'll be able to upgrade it into the 100 GB cloud storage by including or buying the monthly subscription or yearly subscription for $239.99. And that is an easy process on how you can buy the OneDrive storage on your Google. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.